Today, we're diving into a fascinating kitchen gadget, the Ryrot Pizza Oven. This versatile appliance claims to bring the pizzeria experience right to your home and much more. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Imagine this. It's a sunny Saturday, friends are over, and you're not just serving pizza, you're making it right there in your yard. Intrigued? Let's explore how a pizza oven could elevate your cooking game. Be sure to click the link in the description for the best deal on this sweet buy. Pizza ovens, now there's a kitchen gadget that sparks both love and skepticism. Many believe they're a one-trick pony, only good for pizza. But today, we're diving into the world of pizza ovens to uncover the truth. Is it a worthwhile investment or just another bulky appliance gathering dust in the corner? First up, let's talk about its multifunctionality. The Ryrot Pizza Oven isn't just for pizza. Think cookies, dried fruits, steak, chicken wings, and grilled fish. It's a versatile cooking companion that expands your culinary horizons. With a compact size of 17 inches deep, 20 inches wide, and 8.3 inches high, it fits snugly on any countertop. Despite its size, it boasts an impressive 18-liter capacity and heats up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking a 12-inch pizza in minutes. The upper and lower heating tubes ensure even heating, giving you that perfect crust every time. The LED display and intuitive controls make it easy to monitor and adjust the baking process. Even if you're not a seasoned chef, the simple operating instructions and 100-dish menu guide will have you cooking like a pro. And it's not just an indoor gadget. Plug it in outside and you've got a centerpiece for your barbecue parties. It's easy to clean with a touchscreen glass surface and removable accessories. Now, why consider a pizza oven in the first place? Traditional ovens can't match the high temperatures and even cooking that a dedicated pizza oven provides. When shopping for one, look for versatility, ease of use, and cleaning convenience. The Ryrot Pizza Oven ticks all these boxes with its multifunctionality, user-friendly design, and easy maintenance. Customers are raving about the Ryrot Pizza Oven. One user mentioned it's the best they've ever encountered, praising its high-quality materials and outstanding build. They loved how it cooked pizza evenly and cleaned up easily. Another user highlighted its compact size and versatility, perfect for summer meals and various pizza recipes. They appreciated the oven's ability to reach high temperatures quickly, making it both convenient and efficient. A third review applauded the control system, with 10 auto preset programs and 6 assistant programs ensuring perfect results every time. They loved the even heat distribution, making their homemade pizzas comparable to pizzeria quality. Here are 3 key features that make the Ryrot Pizza Oven a sweet buy. 1. Versatility. From pizza to cookies to grilled fish, it's your all-in-one cooking companion. 2. High temperature efficiency. The Ryrot Pizza Oven reaches 800 degrees Fahrenheit for quick, even cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. 3. Ease of use and maintenance. The pizza oven has intuitive controls and easy-to-clean design make it a joy to use. What's your favorite topping for a homemade pizza? Let us know in the comments below. You are simply sweet for watching. Thanks, and see you in the next video.